and welcome to the latest podcast session. This one is on volume. Again, your teacher should have given you the Maths Learner Guidebook, the latest one, and on page 43 this is where you will find it. So volume is a measurement of space enclosed in a 3D shape. So this is measured in cubic units. So you're talking like millimetres cubed, cm cubed or metres cubed. And again, the way you kind of see a cube of how they would write it in maths is with a 3 because it's a 3D shape. If it was a 2D shape and it'd be like metres squared, it'd be metre 2, meaning metre squared. So with a cube or a rectangle, you do the volume. So to find the volume, you do the length times the width times the height. So say we've got a rectangle and it's 20 by 5 by 10. So you're literally timesing 20 by 5 times 10, which would be 1,000 centimetres cubed, because all the widths and the angles and the length, the width and the height is all in centimetres. Another example, going into a cylinder, this is where it gets a little bit complicated but not too complicated. To get the volume again, it's pi. So pi is 3.14 times the radius squared times by the height. And again, the radius square would be r2. So again, an example would be 3.14, because that's pi, times 2 squared times 5. And again, to break it down a little bit better, you've got 3.14 and 2 squared is 4, and then 5 times by 15, and again you get 1303.1 centimetre cubed. Okay? Now there is on the sheet another bit where you can practice the skill again. Again, it's helping you find the volume of the shape below. Now use the references above to help you through this, and the best thing is not to think too logic about it and not to be scared by it, and just go with what you already know. Give it a go and see how you find that, and then ask your tutor for the second sheet where there is an extra sheet. Again, it will go through again giving you the example of how to do this, and then it'll give you a couple of examples to go through as well. And give the challenge questions a go, because you never know if them challenge questions actually come up. So they're not just giving you within the challenge questions, they don't give you the actual like diagram of the rectangle, the cube, the cylinder, whatever it is. They're just giving you the words, and it's then up to you whether you want to draw it at the side if you're very visual that you can actually do these, or whether you just go in and you just use what you know with the knowledge and just give it a go, because that's a stretch and challenge, and by stretching and challenging yourself, you're actually giving yourself that opportunity to understand the maths a little bit better as well. There is quite a lot of resources out there as well, so use your BKSB if you've been assigned to it. Use BBC Bite Size as well, because that's quite a good resource as well. Talk to your teacher as well, because there may be other ways that they can help you understand this a little bit better. Okay, thank you.